Well, we're just about to pack up and leave the hotel. And Adri and Toby found West Side Story on the TV, so they're not helping to pack up right now, but they are enjoying themselves.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out.
What are you guys watching?
Oh, there's a new one.
It's a new one. There are nights of barking birds.
So we're gonna start packing up. It's a little bit of a mess in here, but we don't really have all that much stuff. Mostly our clothes and the kids' backpacks. So we'll get started on that and get going. It'll probably take us about an hour to get all this packed up, get the kids dressed, and get out of here, but it's not too bad for 10 people.
I forget, do I roll this up to force all the euro?
Fold it, not roll it. I mean, I guess you could roll it.
Jesse needs a spoon.
Okay, and that box right there.
Can you give me a yogurt?
Hand one out to everybody at the school, or do they still have this spoon? You don't need to tell him that he needs stuff and say no, like he didn't hear you, he did.
This is a hybrid foam mattress. It has air and foam. Super comfy. This is our camping mat.
Yeah.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
Oh, Emily, is that your new dress that you're wearing? It's so pretty. Did you pack all your stuff? Oh, wait, you didn't go in your hair?
I don't know how to put it.
You don't know how to put it in? No, Bethany will put it in.
Do you want it like back here, like?
Or do you want it like,
here?
are you wanting it like here?
I don't really know.
You don't know?
Wait, okay. Can you go and get me the brush?
I'm not good at air. Whoa, don't brush her nose. Seriously.
Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through.
Was that all?
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
We're watching West Side Story, and me and Toby have been telling her about it for the past like 3 months. It's been a long. And she's like, oh, one day I'll watch it, I want to watch it. We're like, yeah, you can't, you're too young.
Everybody grab
And
your
then finally it's
water
on
bottle.
TV. And she walks in and looks at it for a minute, and I'm like, oh, she's gonna get so excited, Toby. She's gonna get so excited.
I knew what
And
it
then she
was.
walks in and she looks at it and goes,
Beth, grab your water bottle.
and then walks out, and I'm like,
Goes back and watches Paw Patrol.
I'm not allowed to watch it.
Emily watched more of it than you did. She was like, ooh, this is cool. This is West Side Story.
I'm not allowed to watch
You are terrible.
What?
I like a do da cha cha.
Oh my gosh.
Do it different.
You guys are completely weird.
So I just want to ask, who did they hire to spell hummus?
Hummies. Hummies.
Number one, do not ever get hummies.
What?
Do not ever get hummus from a Dunkin' Donut. That was your first mistake.
Oh dear.
Going to Dunkin' Donut for hummus.
Don't you mean hummies?
Okay, I know we're homeschoolers, but seriously,
Oh my gosh.
at least we know how to spell hummus. Learn how to spell at university.
Learn how to spell it.
You're gonna spend all the money to go to university. Please learn how to spell.
All right, we finally made it out of the hotel.
Got me a Dunkin' Donut latte.
And stopped at Dunkin' Donuts for Daddy to
I
get
don't know
himself a
why,
latte.
but Dunkin' Donuts, and I think we've already said this on a previous video, but it's just, their latte's better than most other crappy little places, including Starbucks.
That's because it tastes like. That's because it tastes like a Tim Hortons latte.
No, it does not taste like a Tim Hortons. I've never had a Tim Hortons latte.
Tim Hortons coffee. You always
It
say that's the
doesn't-
closest to Tim Hortons
No, it's
coffee.
a coffee. This is a latte.
Oh, okay.
I can actually taste the espresso. And the other ones, I don't. It tastes like milk with a little bit of coffee. Which a latte is milk with coffee, but it's supposed to be espresso, not just your drip coffee. Anyways,
so we are on our way to Port Arthur. If you guys have been watching our channel since the beginning, you know that we spent a lot of time there taking devices to get them fixed. We dropped off an iPad there about 2 months ago. It's been a really long time. And
maybe 3 actually.
Maybe 3
Because
months
we dropped
ago.
it off, and then our van broke down.
It was 4 months ago.
It was 4 months ago.
Well, we dropped it off, got it fixed, got it back, and then had to take it back because it stopped working a couple days later.
Like a day later.
So, but we had it for quite a while before we took it back to them because we didn't get back down there for a while.
Yes.
So, we took it back to get it repaired, and the guy that repairs their iPads at that shop, he had a death in the family, so he didn't get to it for a few weeks. And then he had to wait. Then our van broke down. He had to wait for some parts, things like that. Anyways, it's about 2 hours from where we are now. It's about 2 hours from where we usually are in Louisiana, so it's no different. So we're gonna go and drive down there and grab it today, and then we are heading to Louisiana. So it's gonna be a 4-hour round trip drive. So that's gonna take up most of our day, and then we're gonna check into our hotel in Louisiana. Just get ready to spend the weekend with some family and friends. We probably won't do a ton of filming this weekend just because we'll be hanging out. And then Sunday or Monday, we're gonna hit the road towards Florida, towards our big camping trip. So, Yay! So who wants a Laura bar?
Me!
Oh my goodness, a bunch of animals. Okay, where are we going?
Oh, Levi, you
Oh
want
my
one?
goodness,
Who doesn't have one yet?
it's Mardi Gras, baby, except with no nudity.
You and I, we got it. We don't. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
All right, we made it to Port Arthur, or Nederland, I guess technically it is, and Michael's just in picking up our iPad. Everybody else is just chilling in the van. We're listening to some music, and then we're gonna figure out some lunch.
Wow, guys, we're taking has a playground too.
The slide. Oh goodness.
Levi, can you take this, Mama?
Grilled chicken salad and a bottle of water. Levi's going up the slide.
Jesse, take off your shoes.
Chick-fil-A Sunday.
Those are Levi's fingers.
Hey, Larry. I think they're in there getting our food. Levi, I can see his feet. I'm with him. Hey, Levi.
I got your feet.
Why is there
hot.
an extra spicy jam?
These are hot. Do you want lettuce or tomato lettuce?
No.
You're gonna eat it on the side though, right? I don't know.
Oh, can I have one?
Everything all right over here so far?
Bethany, you want my tomatoes?
Yes.
We always pawn off our tomatoes on Bethany.
She's the only one in our family that likes tomatoes.
I like tomatoes, I just don't want extra tomatoes.
What was that? Dad snuck some honey mustard past the kids.
I asked for it. Where's Waldo? Where's her bun?
We don't need no more.
This is way better.
We got the little ratatouille switches on the lamps.
Little ratatouille switches.
Yeah, I always notice that.
No, we don't. There's no bathroom in this side.
This is what you call ridiculous.
This is for 10 people. Nobody else is gonna think this is ridiculous.
No way.
Nobody.
Coming with just one change of clothes each. That's it.
What? So for 3 days?
Pizza just arrived. I don't know what this one is. I think it's mine. No, it's not.
What just happened? We're watching MasterChef Junior, and they're just about to announce what it is, and then is and then an ad starts playing.
Yeah.
It's so annoying.
Okay, so the pizza just... I'll turn the movie down. I don't know where the remote is. The pizza just got here. I'm watching Mrs. Doubtfire, which I haven't watched since I was like 8 years old. So that's exciting. I think Dad's enjoying watching it too.